Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to BMO Smart Saver, a high-interest savings account designed to help you reach your financial goals. To get started, you will need to open a BMO Smart Saver account, which can be easily done online or at a BMO branch. Once your account is open, you can start taking advantage of the high interest rate and no monthly fees. The BMO Smart Saver account is a type of savings account that earns interest on your balance, allowing your money to grow over time. To maximize your earnings, consider setting up automatic transfers from your primary checking account to your BMO Smart Saver account. This way, you can ensure that you are consistently saving and earning interest on your money. Another key feature of the BMO Smart Saver account is its flexibility. You can access your money at any time, making it a great option for short-term savings goals, such as a vacation or emergency fund. In terms of best practices, it is a good idea to set a savings goal and track your progress regularly. You can use online banking or the BMO mobile app to monitor your account activity and stay on top of your finances. Additionally, consider taking advantage of other BMO services, such as budgeting tools and financial advice, to help you achieve your long-term financial goals. By following these steps and using the BMO Smart Saver account effectively, you can make progress towards your financial objectives and achieve a more secure financial future. Overall, the BMO Smart Saver account is a great option for anyone looking to earn high interest on their savings and reach their financial goals. With its ease of use, flexibility, and high interest rate, it is an excellent choice for beginners and experienced savers alike.